Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix microphone problem in Streamlabs OBS. If you are facing this issue, the first thing you should do is uninstall Streamlabs OBS and then reinstall it. Now open your browser, search for Streamlabs OBS on Google and go to the official website. Then download the latest version and install it on your PC. Once the installation is complete, launch Streamlabs OBS and start the setup process. When you reach the webcam and microphone section, select your default webcam and microphone. In my case, I have 3 microphones, my webcam mic, my headphone mic and my default microphone. I am using my default one, so I select it and click continue and complete the setup. After that, go to the mixer and open the settings. Then click on mic AUX and make sure your microphone is selected. If it wasn't, select it automatically. Then click on test audio and you should be able to hear your microphone through your headphones. I hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thanks for watching.